Hey everyone, this is Ronald from Sovol. So we've just released a new PTFE tubing on our website. People are asking for an installation guide. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to replace a PTFE tubing on this machine, Sovol SV02. Alright, before starting, here's what we need today. A new PTFE tubing, a tube cutter, a sign cutter. That's it, let's jump into it. The first thing we want to do is to preheat the hot end so that we can unload the filament. Let's go. Right, so click temp, select automatic, delay. There you go. So the reason why we need to preheat the hot end is that we'll need the filament in the hot end melted at the bottom. We'll press the low lever, flow the filament. After pulling out, you can cool down the machine to a safe temperature and finally turn off the machine. Let's move on to the next step. Take the side cutter and cut the seat tight. Here's a clip that holds the coupling lock. Let's pull off the clip. Now push on the coupling lock and remove the old PTFE tubing. Same here. Got it. Now take the old PTFE tubing and measure out the right length by lining up next to each other and then cut it with a cutter. There you go. Let's push on the coupling lock and insert the tubing until it hits the nozzle. Put on the clip so the coupling can be pushed, so that way the PTFE tubing can't accidentally slide out. We do the same thing here. If you like, you can hold the wiring together with a little clip. Nice! Good job, we're good to go. Now, let's push filament through the tubing, and you can see through this translucent tubing and know where the filament goes. This tubing is made from pure virgin transparent PTFE, so it's a lot more slippery, and you can actually feel it. Alright, that's all we got today. I made this video in a rush, but I hope I'm doing something helpful. Please let me know in the comment what else would you like me to talk. Oh yeah, we go live every Sunday 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time on Facebook and YouTube. Again, this is Ronald from Sovol. See ya!
We'll be right back.